If you're anything like me, you can be minding your own business, eating chocolate spread straight out of the jar when a big man upstairs sends you through a gift.
A brand new business idea.
You need a logo. Wow. I sound like the Fiverr ads. At this point, I do want to clarify that this is the free way to do this. So if you have got a budget to get someone else to create it and graphic design is not your forte and you don't enjoy doing graphic design, then go and pay for someone else to do it. And focus on what brings income into the business. So let's make a quick 5-minute logo for you to get your brand out there, start getting some people through the door, but please do not let having a logo hold you back from going out and getting customers. Start by doing some research in your industry or niche and see what other people in the space are doing. Use Google, Facebook, Instagram. All of these platforms will allow you to see what other people are doing and take some inspiration. It's handy to have a piece of paper next to you at this point, just so you can scribble down some ideas if they come to you. Now you want to head over to Google and search for some sort of color wheel. I like Adobe's one, it's really easy and simple to use. This is going to show you all of the colors that go really well together and will allow you to get a bigger picture when it comes to your brand. Because remember, we're not just creating a logo, we're creating everything else that comes with it. Now I want you to head over to the website taylorbrands.com. Now this is a really good website. You can literally punch in some of your details, you know, talk about the industry and the people that you serve, and it will actually then spit out a load of different templates and ideas for logos. Now, I'm not saying you need to go with this logo. All I'm saying is put this in, see what it gives you back, because now you've got 10, 15, 20 different logos to compare, and you can then use those as inspiration as well as your previous research to really hit the nail on the head when it comes to creating your logo. Now head over to the website Canva and in the search bar, literally type in logo.
This is where we're going to design the whole logo, so take your time with this, use the inspiration and the research you've done in the past to now make the full logo in here. What I like to do is make a couple of different variations of the logo as well, so keep it running. When you do the logo, make a couple of different variations because you need to think of all of the different ways you're going to use the logo in the past. Look at what I'm dealing with.
I'm actually crying with laughter, I don't know why. Oh, I'm so sorry. I promise I'll do it better.
No, you're getting the sack.
I'm actually crying.
You better get on Indeed right now.
Oh, I'm crying. Oh.
You can now head over to the website remove.bg and remove the background from the logo we've just created. Now every time you create content, you're going to have your logo to just put on there straight away. Make sure you smash the red subscribe button to never miss a video from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace! Beard must go. Legit just tried shaving my head with this and it's run out of battery. I don't know how bad it is, but I'm guessing pretty bad. Let's get it. Editing time. Major key. Why are you so obsessed with me? I just wanna know. Peaky Blinders. A business idea that the world needs to know about. At this point, I want to tell you that this is. At this point, I want to. Now every time you create.